Today I'm going to make a video about how to manifest money, obviously by astrology. So you will see what are the factors that are necessary to actually money is manifested in your life. So for that is very easy. You just know about your date, time and place of birth and enter it into my website www.freeastrologyvedic.com. You just go to freeastrologyvedic.com and get your Vedic birth chart. Why I'm telling you Vedic birth chart? Because there is a difference of signs in Vedic and Western astrology. So to get the prediction accurate, you should get your Vedic birth chart, and then you just go through these points. And how can I tell that? You will get to know about how much of wealth you will get in your life. But that all depends upon your karmas. So the money giving planets are Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Moon, Sun, Rahu, Ketu, Mars. So all the planets are money giving planet. There is nothing as such Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter will only give money, or Moon or Sun will give money, or Mars or Rahu, Ketu will give money. Any planet can give money if they are associated with the money houses. But particularly if we are talking about money, then these planets, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and even Moon, they have their natural tendency to bring money irrespective of their lordship. Also, the second house, that is the house of the family. The eighth house, that is the house of money from others, that is money from marriage or partnership. 11th house, that is the house of gain. 11th house means all sorts of gain. That gain can come from anywhere. Ninth house is a house of religion, career, money through foreign countries. 10th house is a house of authority, government, and 5th house is a house of creativity, power. So 5th, 4th, 6th, 12th house in case of expendable money like your PF or your retirement money or money needed to establish a company. But particularly we will talk about only second house, 11th house and 5th house that have a special characteristics of producing money. But any house can bring money. Any house, even the from the house number 1 to house number 12, any house can bring you money and any planet can give you money. But some planet and some houses have their inherent nature to bring money in the life of the native, and these planets are Venus, Saturn, Jupiter and Moon, and the houses are the second house, the 11th house and 5th house. Now any relationship between these houses by conjunction, aspects of planets to houses, or conjunction or aspect by planets to lord of the money houses can bring you the money. Now money you can get not only by just these particular houses or lords, but by any planet who is having relationship with the money houses like the second house, the 11th house, the 5th house, the ninth house, then the 11th house, the 10th house, the 6th house. See, 6th house is the house where we get money by doing job, and 11th house is a house of gain, so you can get money by 11th house in any ways. Now Venus and second house or second house lord rules money as well as pleasure. The house and sign the Venus is in will describe the general area or means by which the money will be accumulated or spent. But I have found the aspects to Venus and second house or second house lord to be even more relieving. Like suppose you have um, some of the planets in second house and some of the planets in fifth house and some planets in 11th house and some planet in sixth house. So all these are the houses of money, and then you can get money in your life. Now if Venus or second house lord, if they are conjunct with the sun, then money will come through all forms of entertainment, leisure, government or management, like leadership positions, children, games, speculation, gambling, and arts. Or when the Venus or the second house lord is with moon, then money will come from like housing, real estate, food, cooking, catering, restaurant, collecting, preserving, restoration, historians, comics, advertisement, through politician and through business people in general. Now, if your Venus or if your second house lord is is having any relationship with your, suppose, Mercury, then money will come through writing, speaking, teaching, media, computer, local transport, delivery, clerical work, analysis, organization, health, clothing, food, and most common types of labor or services. Now, similarly, if Mars is associated with Venus, second house or second house lord, then money will come through the dictionary meanings of the Mars, that is through invention, through initiative, through enterprise, through like they may be boxer, they may be fighter, they may be athletics or related to sports, fire workers, doctors, they may be doctors and surgeon. If Mars is placed in the second house, or if Mars is associated with the Venus, or if Mars is associated by conjunction or aspect or having any relationship with the Lord of the second house, then they will become doctor, surg- surgeons, fire workers, boxers. They will gain money through invention and initiative. If Jupiter is associated with Venus or second house lord, then they will get money through like travel, import or export, international trade, publication, teaching, because Jupiter is significator for teaching, so they will get money through teaching, ambassadorship, and matters of faith like religion. They may be a priest. And when Saturn is in second house or Saturn is related to second house lord, or in any case Saturn is related to Venus second house or second house lord, then money will come through organization, systemization like control, economy, labor, discipline and hard work, construction, builder, cement work, doors, roofers, shelvings, groundings, timing, jewelry, industry, business, and government work in general. So these are the these. So what all these tell you about how money will come. Look out. First thing, look out where which planet is associating Venus second house or second house lord, that planet will tell you the signification for that planet will tell you how money will come in your life.